Hello my dear students, welcome to benzene chemistry classes. So in this video we are going to solve KCET problems, previous year KCET problems. So this is our KCET, NEET and JEE practice series. Okay, here in this the description of this video you are going to get a link of a playlist. In that playlist you can get the videos of previous year JEE question solved and previous year NEET question solved, and I have solved them by using amazing and simplest method. Please go and watch. So here, let us solve first one. The edge length of a cube is 300 picometer. They have given edge length of a cube. Edge length of a cube means what? If I consider a cube, cube means a unit cell. If I consider this cube, the edge length, the length of this to this is A. So this A is equals to how much? They have given A is equals to 300 picometer. Here they have given 300 picometer. Its body diagonal would be. So what is the length of its body diagonal? They are asking for the length of this body diagonal. So in the previous video also I have discussed about how to calculate length of body diagonal. Here once again I will solve how to calculate body diagonal. So here to calculate length, I will take it as B. To calculate length of this body diagonal, what I have to take? I have to consider this face diagonal. By using this, we can solve very much easily. First, let us consider this face diagonal A, B, C. In the triangle A, B, C. So this is our triangle. See here, A, B, C. This upper triangle. Sorry, in this triangle ABC, from the triangle ABC, what is the length of this face diagonal? I will take it as P. Face diagonal is taken as P. The length of face diagonal is equals to this AC square is equals to, from the Pythagoras relation, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So in a cube what happens? All the sides are equal, means the length of AB is A, length of BC is also A. So A square plus A square is equals to 2A square. AC square is equals to 2A square. So now what I have to calculate is, I want to calculate length of this. Then how to calculate this? Here can you see the triangle? This is our triangle ACD. Let us consider the triangle ACD. So in this ACD, AD square is equals to what? AC square plus CD square. Again, the CD is the length of the side of the cube. So CD square is equals to A square, and we know AC square is nothing but 2A square. 2A square. So totally it becomes 3A square. AD square is equals to 3A square. AD is equals to what? Root 3A. So this AD is nothing but our body diagonal. Body diagonal. AD is our body diagonal. So now I want to calculate the length of this body diagonal. Body diagonal is equals to what? Root 3A. Body diagonal is equals to, the length of body diagonal is equals to, I will take it as B. B is equals to root 3A. They have given the value of A. How much it is? Root 3 into 300 picometer. So what is the value of root 3? It comes out to be 1.73 into 300 picometer. So simply on simple multiplication you can get the answer. Just for the simplification, 1.7 is multiplied with 3. So what I can get? 17 3s are 51, and these two zeros, picometer, and after one digit decimal point, isn't it? So the answer of this body diagonal would be around 510 picometer. 510 picometer. It is not exactly 510. Why? Because I have omitted these two values. So it is around this value is something more than this 510 picometers, but around 510. So here this is 600 picometer. It's not 423. It is also not our answer. Yes, 590 days. It is 510. So I have neglected 3 to these two digits on including these two digits. I can get the answer exactly like this, 519.6 picometer. So this is the real answer. I can take it as our answer. Okay, this is our correct answer. Here it is also not our answer. So by simple methods you can solve the problems very much easily. Okay, next come to the next point, next problem. Which one is not a conductor of electricity? Please see this, read the question carefully. They are asking for which one is not a conductor of electricity. So here a conductor of electricity means what? We have got two type of conductors. The first one is metallic conductor, second one is ionic conductor. They are also called as electrolytic conductor, isn't it? In ionic conductor, what happens? The condition is ions must be free to move, then only it conduct electric current. In metallic conductor there is no such restriction. In metals the free ions are present, they can conduct very much easily. So let us see the answer. Solid NaCl, copper, fused NaCl, brine solution. Copper is a metal, so it is a good conductor. It not our answer. We are searching for not conductor, isn't it? Bad conductor, and which is not a conductor. Fused NaCl means what? Molten NaCl. If I melt NaCl, what happens? I am going to get liquid NaCl. In that liquid NaCl, Na plus ions and Cl minus ions are very much free to move. They can move here and there very much easily, so they can conduct electric current. So this is also not our answer. Brine solution. Brine solution means what? See here, the aqueous solution of sodium chloride is called as brine solution. So in aqueous solution means what? It is dissolved in water, means it contains Na plus ions, Cl minus ions and H plus OH minus ions. So due to the presence of Na plus and Cl minus ions, and they are free to move in the solution, so this is also a good conductor. So this is also not our answer. In solid NaCl is not a conductor, even though it is ionic solid, but it is not a conductor. Why? Because in solid what happens? Na plus and Cl minus ions are arranged, they are fixed at their own position. They are fixed at some lattice points and they are not free to move. They can just oscillate around their mean position, but they cannot move. So due to the restriction in the movement of ions, so as the solids are rigid in nature, the solid NaCl is not a conductor. It is not a conductor. So now next come to third question. In FCC, face centered cubic crystal, the unit cell is shared equally by how many unit cell? See here, it's simply a tricky question. Generally what happens? They used to ask one atom present at the face centered FCC unit cell in one face. It is equally shared between how many unit cell? If an atom is shared, if an atom is present in one face of the unit cell, it is shared equally by two unit cell. But now they are asking for one face centered unit cell itself shared between how many unit cell? Or ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು FCC ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೌದಾ? ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು FCC ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಗಳು ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು? ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ this room is our FCC unit cell. ಈ ರೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಈಗ FCC unit cell ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೌದಾ? ಈ ರೂಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Now what happens? There is a room and on that side ಈ ಫೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಈ ಫೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಫೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ರೂಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ behind this wall there is also room, above this there is also room. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಈ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫೇಸ್ ಗಳು ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟು ಏನಿದಾವೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಫೇಸ್ ಗಳು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಆಗಿದಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಫೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್? 1 2 3 4 5 6. means one FCC unit cell, not only FCC, every unit cell, one unit cell is shared equally by 6 unit cells. So our answer is 6. So one unit cell is equally shared between 6 unit cells. Okay, so like this you can simply solve. Thank you.